Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable mode on your Poly AI app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign here, it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it. So when you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Come here to pair mode, click in this sign. So then you click here on confirm. So then automatically it's going to enable with you here pair mode on your PolyAi app. So like you see here, it's enabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.